Understanding, put a strain on, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a common English phrase, put a strain on. This phrase is used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in mastering the nuances of the English language. So, let's dive in and learn about this interesting expression. Put a strain on refers to applying pressure or stress to someone or something. It's often used to describe situations where a person, relationship, resource, or system is under pressure due to external factors. This phrase can be used in both literal and figurative contexts. For instance, carrying heavy bags all day can put a strain on your back. Financial difficulties can put a strain on a marriage. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. Remember, context is key. 1. The increased workload has really put a strain on the team. 2. Continuously working late nights is starting to put a strain on my health. Notice how the phrase is often followed by the preposition on, and then the object experiencing the strain. Understanding synonyms can help you better grasp the meaning and use of put a strain on. Some common synonyms include burden, stress, tax, overload. For example, you can say, this burdens the system, as an alternative to, this puts a strain on the system. That's all for our lesson on, put a strain on. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts is key to mastering them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.